Now we start the hair by putting some highlights in. It's been very, very dark, this hair, but it's going to have a shine on it. So let's just put some light in where I think the shine will be. There's more of it than you think. Now I'll continue that until I've done all of it, and then we'll work on the next colour, which will be that one, which is 233. Now 233. We've got a dark centre area, and then we come from there. Now, as I said, there's more light than you think, and we've got several colours now we're going to be putting in to strengthen this. Now, again, it's a long job, but what I'll do is I'll just do a few strokes, and then I'll break off and show you in a stop-start, which is a system I use to advance a picture. What I'm mainly concerned with is that's got to be dark there, because that's where the shadow is. Alright, so let me continue that, and I'll show you all of it, but it'll be in little bits and pieces as I go through. Now we blend the hair using the colour shaper. Now the idea of this is to fill up the paper with the pastel. Now you see the light is making a little more sense now. It's looking as though it's reflected light, which it is. And now we need the next colour, which is 181. Yeah, 181. Now that follows the same path. So now I'll do the same again. I'll break off and show you sections of it. Once again, we blend. And now the black. Now this is an altogether different kettle of fish. So what we're doing now is picking up just the very darkest parts. And I would suggest, if you ever go at this, blend it as you go along, because you learn. And let's just do just a little bit here, show you what I mean. Now this black will be blended into all the other colours, so it won't register as really dark. Now that, you see the importance though of the light. And that's come up very well, so let's continue. Beautiful. Anyway, now that's all for this demonstration, so I look forward to seeing you on another one very soon. Bye for now.